Hi everybody, this is Sheila. Welcome back to the Crochet Nurse channel. Today what we're going to do is the unboxing for the Mary Maxim July 2021 Crochet Kit of the Month. I just got this today and I'm kind of excited to open it up. And from what I can feel in there, it feels like there's a couple of cakes in there again. So let's take a peek at that in a second. But like we've done in the past, we will go back and review last month's kit, which was June of 2021. Okay, so last month we got a couple of things. First off, we got 2 balls of It's a Wrap, Red Heart, It's a Wrap Rainbow, and I happen to get this color. I forget what this color is, but it's really, really pretty. And so this is what I have left over. And I think the pattern, well, I know the pattern that came with it was to make a wrap because, you know, it's a wrap. Well, I didn't do that. You guys know I wasn't going to do that. And what I made is what I'm wearing. And you guys probably have recognized the pattern of this top because this is the Serene Tee out of the Crochet Summer 2021 magazine. And let me show you how it turned out. So I got the blue up here, yellow sleeves. Let me stand up and I'll show you. Let me move my chair out of there. Now back up a bit so you guys can see. But this is how it turned out. So let me move my hair. I did the size medium and it recommended like an extra, I don't know, inch or 2 here, and I didn't want it that long. And so you can see this is how it looked like on the back. And I think the colors came out fantastic. And I am actually not wearing a t-shirt underneath of it right now because I think the colors actually allows me not to, and this is really light and really drapey. It is fantastic. Like I say, and this took me probably about 2 weeks to make because, as you guys know, this is a size 2 yarn and it took me forever. And I made modifications. Yes, you know I did. The modifications that I made was to the yoke up here. I did not want it as wide as they made it because I wanted to be able to wear it without showing the bra strap. And I did add a little bit of length to the sleeves and did a little trimming on the sleeves. But that was the only modifications, and not making it as long as they did because I have a short body, but that was about it. Okay, and that was those yarns. The other yarn that we got was 1 cake of painted cotton, or Giza cotton, and you can see I still have some of that left here. I started a secondary project with that. I'm going to show you guys something. You can give me your opinion. I started to make a summer top, and here is one of the panels that I started. But look at those colors when they come together. And this is just extended single crochet. And then I'm making, this would be the bottom of the edging down here. So I'm looking at this and not really crazy about the colors for me to wear, although I am okay with the pattern, this extended crochet. So I'm not going to make it into a top. I'm just going to double this size and it's going to turn into, I think, a bath towel or a hand towel because it's so nice. I think I would like that in my bathroom. So that's what's going to happen with that. And because I spent so much time on this top, I really didn't have as much time to dedicate to the second ball. But I am happy with it. I am happy with the yarn. I love the colors. Just that's just too much pink in there for me to wear as a top, I think. But if you guys think that color would look okay, then I'll make it as a top. Let me know in the comments below. All right, let's move on. All right, July. I'm super excited to get July's. Like I say, I think that there's 2 cakes in there. Let's see what we got. And as before, rattle my mouse here, I have my computer up, and if it doesn't take too much time, I will look it up and see what the prices are. So happy with last month's. For those who are not aware, the first month is $9.99. And then the second month is $14.99, and I pay $4.95 in shipping, so I'm all in, and should be. I'll check the receipt here. for $19.98. I apologize for all the rattling. Let me check. $19.98, and Crochet Club of the Month, recurring. So fantastic. All right, let's see what we got. And yes, it is cakes. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness, I love, love, love those colors. Oh my gosh. Love, 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 love those colors, guys. Oh no, guys, look, it's the, we already know what this is. Look at that. And this is another Knitting Fever painted cotton, pure Giza. We got one ball of this last month, and it looks like I have 2 balls of this for this month. I already know what this costs. I don't have to look it up. These are regular $25 per ball, and I've seen them on sale for $18.95 because I looked it up last time. But I can look again, see if the price has changed. Let me look at this real quick. Size 3, 357 yards, and 100% cotton. Tropical Lily. Oh my gosh. Guys, I already know we got our money's worth this month. That is beautiful. Let's look at the size. Here you go. For those who have not purchased this, and I've already working on it, and I showed you guys with the orange wherever I dropped it off to, it is beautiful. I've been using an I9 5.5 hook, and it just crochets beautifully. Nice, nice, nice. I'm super happy with that. I mean, I can look at myself, put it in real quick. And let's see what the pattern is this month. Oh, really? I might make that. Look at this pattern. It is a hobo bag pattern. That's what they're making this month. I don't know, that seems like a lot of yarn. It says it's a 17 by 30. Side panel, let's see. And it's saying 2 balls, any color, Knitting Fever painted cotton. It looks like a pretty easy pattern to make. They're just making it in squares and then assembling it. So that is that for today. Yeah, let me look real quick just to double check. Knitting Fever. I hope you guys are getting your kits again, because I'm telling you, the last ones have certainly been worth it. Yep, 1950 painted cotton Knitting Fever. I'm seeing it as low as down to $13, out of stock for $25. So between the 2 balls, and then we have our pattern for that hobo bag, and I paid $19, and this is definitely, again, another month worth the money. I am super happy with this. I'm not sure I'll make the bag, although I really do like that bag, but this would be beautiful in just about any pattern that we can think of to make. This is fantastic. I'm super happy, guys. All right, that's what I wanted to share with you today. If you have any questions or comments, and I hope you guys get your kits coming up, and have a great day. Bye, y'all.